Guys, if you have no degree, no high-level experience, and you're tired of being stuck, this might be your biggest opportunity in 2026. Australia is quietly opening doors. And guess what? Some of these work permits are getting approved in as little as 2 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about packing jobs, helper roles, warehouse work, jobs that don't require fancy qualifications. Not guesswork. Not scams. Real pathways. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you where the jobs are, how much you can earn, and exactly how to apply step by step. Australia's population is aging fast. Fewer young workers. More retirees. And industries are struggling to keep up. That's why the government is actively bringing in foreign workers. Especially for roles locals don't want to do anymore. We're talking about long hours, physical work, entry-level positions. But here's the flip side. These jobs are your entry ticket into one of the most stable economies in the world. And once you enter, you can upgrade, switch jobs, even move toward permanent residency. Here are 5 hot sectors in Australia right now where you can land jobs even without a degree. 1. Warehousing and packing jobs. Roles: warehouse assistant, picker and packer, loader. Salary: $18 to $25 per hour. Around $2,800 to $4,000 per month. 2. Cleaning and housekeeping. Roles: hotel cleaner, office cleaner, housekeeping staff. Salary: $20 to $28 per hour. Up to $4,200 per month. 3. Agriculture and farm work. Roles: fruit picker, farm helper, greenhouse worker. Salary: $19 to $26 per hour. Seasonal bonuses included. 4. Construction helpers. Roles: general laborer, site helper, assistant technician. Salary: $25 to $35 per hour. Up to $5,000 per month. 5. Care and support jobs. Roles: support worker, care assistant, disability helper. Salary: $22 to $30 per hour. Guys, this is why I keep saying, don't ignore small jobs. These are the jobs that open big doors. Now let's talk requirements. Because this is where most people overthink things. Here's the truth. The checklist is simple. 1. Age. You should be between 18 and 45 years old. 2. Basic English. You don't need to sound like a professor. Just basic communication. Some visas may require tests like IELTS, but not always high scores. 3. Valid passport. At least 6 months validity. 4. Willingness to work. Guys, this is key. These are not office jobs. You must be ready to work. 5. Clean record and medical fitness. No serious criminal issues. Basic health check. And yes, many of these roles do not require a degree. Now let's get practical. This is the exact roadmap you should follow. Step 1. Prepare your CV. Keep it simple. Highlight any physical work, volunteering, reliability. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Use trusted platforms like Seek Australia Jobs Portal, Indeed Australia, Workforce Australia official site. All the job links will be in the description box below the video. Step 3. Get a job offer. Some employers will sponsor you or guide your visa process. This is where things move fast. Step 4. Apply for visa. Focus on pathways like temporary skill shortage visa, seasonal worker programs. Follow official instructions only. No shortcuts. Step 5. Travel and start working. Once approved, pack your bags. Start small. Grow fast. Guys, this is your moment. Opportunities like this don't stay open forever. So tell me in the comments. Which country are you applying from? And which sector are you targeting? And if you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more strategic immigration moves. Because here, we don't just talk. We move.